random numbers in Python. Python does not have a random function to make random numbers, but instead Python has a built-in module which is called random that can only be used to make random numbers. I am going to show you this with an example. Random, it means that a function can choose any number in between a range. For example, from number 1 to 10, if I execute the code in the first run, it is going to choose any number randomly. Then in the second run, it will choose another number. Let's take for an example. I import random print range. Let's choose number 1 all the way to number 10. I run this code, you save and run this code. First phase, it has given us 7. Let's try to run the second round and check. It's given us 8. The third phase is given us 3. Now, this shows us that in the random function, a number between number 1 to 10 is chosen randomly. Alright? Let's meet for more.